Tom, can you please call your family?
It's yours. Oh, no. These are not pigs.
I know these guys are mean.
No, they're not. No, they don't do anything. Go.
There's iguana.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, wow. He's a big guy, too.
He is a big one, yes.
I'm just checking you out, man. I ain't gonna do nothing. Little monkeys.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
I hold
You hold
the
this for me?
camera.
Just hold that. It's already going.
You're the monkey daddy now.
Well, there's not too much space left.
Right. Oh, hey, you got some wet hands, dude. What you been doing?
You don't want to know.
You see, these are squirrel monkeys, huh?
Yes. They're from Suriname.
From Suriname.
Yes.
Oh, you import these guys in?
Yes.
Yes.
Don't poop on my head. Don't poop on my head. Don't poop.
And then splash.
Don't pee on me either. Uh-oh. How many iguanas you got?
2. 1 male, 1 female.
And they're from here.
They're from here. And they're quite rare on the island now. Because all those bad Dominicans eat them,
Really?
or they sell them.
We don't need them.
There are Dominicans that eat iguanas, and they say it's
No, we only eat chicken.
rice and beans, yes. Sometimes iguana rice and beans.
Some nice monkeys.
Yeah, they're really nice.
These seem young. They're young?
Yeah,
2
we have
years.
7 babies. They were born here. They're about between 4 and 8 months.
At least they don't stink.
No. They shower every day.
I just caught that.
Oh, and I had a joke in my mind, but I let it go. It's too much.
Yeah, let it go, please.
Trying to turn
Don't
me
do
around
it.
like that? Come on up there. Come on. Keep pulling by my shirt to turn me around. Just don't try to feed me.
They won't try, they will do it.
They'll just do it. Hey man.
A few days ago, there was one peeing on one's head, and it was dripping in and out of his ear.
Oh,
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
what, a tourist came up here?
Yeah.
Peeing on him?
Peeing on his head, and it was dripping off his ear.
That's when you see flying monkeys. Almost done.
Really?
Yeah, it's only well, I was gonna say 2. It's only 1 peanut left. One more left. You don't want that, huh? You don't want leftovers?
No, I won't take it.
No more, man.
For the baby.
That's it. No more.
If you want, we can walk down a little bit.
Okay. I'm good now. Thank you.
No problem.